Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice and my YouTube channel is called Alice's Life. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this product. It is by Wisdom and it's called Intense White Teeth Whitening Strips. It's up to 6 shades whiter in 7 days. So I'm going to be taking you along and seeing what it works like and if it actually has an effect. So usually in Boots this costs £25, but they were doing a 1/3 off deal, so it was £16.66, which I was quite pleased with. I'll just see if it works, otherwise it might be a waste of money. Kantar is a market research company and they did a consumer survey with 10,000 people, and this was the 2020 winner in the teeth whitening kit and strips category. So I hope to see a noticeable difference and end up with whiter teeth. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So you get the 7 strips like this, and they've got an upper strip and a lower strip. Then you also get the little booklet. So there's 6 steps. So I've already done the first step, which is brushing your teeth before use. I have to dry my teeth. Anyway. But before I get started, I'm going to compare my teeth with this shade guide. The thing with my teeth is that I had 3 teeth pulled out when I was 15. So the teeth that should be further to the back are quite close to the front. Like that tooth is yellow, I think. That tooth is yellow. I think these teeth are okay, and my bottom teeth look okay as well. I'm okay with them, but then these ones have staining from tea and coffee, I think. So I need to go and see where I am. So I've got a mirror. If I do this, I can see at the end. Ow! Gums are sensitive. Okay, so I'm going to get started now. I need to dry my teeth. How does one dry their teeth? I think if I dry my teeth on a sock. I haven't worn these socks. I'll wear them later. Was that weird? I don't want to go downstairs and look for a towel. Today is the 7th day of me using this Wisdom Intense White Teeth Whitening Strips kit. So I'm going to be doing a review, but first of all I need to get on and do my 7th and final thing. So far I've been quite disappointed with the results. I don't know. Maybe I should have written down what number I thought each teeth was, because I think these 2 are whiter, but they always look whiter. This one still looks as yellow as ever. These 3 are still stained. The actual stuff, so you leave, you put the bumpy side touching your teeth and the smooth side away from your teeth, because the bumpy side is the actual chemical. It's not bad for you if you accidentally swallow some, but it doesn't taste that nice. As before, big thing on top, little one on the bottom. So I'm just going to get on and do this, and then I'll catch up with you when I have finished. So I've left them on for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on what I'm doing. So I usually just do stuff on the computer while I'm waiting. So you brush your teeth before, brush them after, which I've been doing. Sometimes I even floss, but not always, because it's just a bit boring. Okay, every day I've used a pair of socks. I use clean socks which have been washed, and then I wear them after I have used them to dry my teeth. I think it's a bit weird, but it just seems to be quite a hygienic way, because they are clean and they're material. If I used a towel, then you don't know where that's been. These are just clean. Anyway. back. I have just peeled off my final Wisdom Teeth Whitening Strip and brushed my teeth, so they're all ready to test, and I'm going to use this shade guide to see what the difference looks like. Actually, I think those front two, they were maybe like 10 before, and now they're about 6. Was that optimistic? Maybe 7. Not 8. These ones, I'll say that's a 10. Actually no, 12. I'm not really sure about the bottom one because they were, I think you just see them less when you smile. I'd say the bottom ones also looks a bit whiter as well. Okay, I think the main thing is I really wanted some sort of miracle solution, which is not what you're going to get if you're paying that sort of price point. So I would have really wanted the staining to have all vanished and these to actually get whiter. But I'd say overall there actually is a difference, which is good. Oh, by the way, I've got a cold. I should have mentioned that earlier. Okay, overall, I would recommend this, actually. Although the effects could have been better, I'm still quite impressed. To conclude, I would say it's a good price point, easy to purchase because it's from Boots, you don't have to order it online or anything. And I also do think it seemed to have worked a bit. I think I was looking for a miracle solution, and I'm still keen to get rid of these coffee or tea, caffeine sort of stains here, and I've also noticed some here. And this tooth has always been yellow, and a bit self-conscious about it. I think these teeth have got whiter, these 3. Yay! And I'm actually quite pleased with that colour at the moment. It's like 6 or 7 actually. And the bottom ones also seem quite decent. I think I can see a difference. I'm going to take some photos and compare them. So to conclude, I would purchase this again, I think. There are some bad reviews on the Boots website regarding this kit, but overall I'd say give it a go, just because it's a decent price point. Now you can get drugstore ones for £40, but it's good just to try something right at the very bottom, or there probably are cheaper ones. But Wisdom is a decent brand. I've used Wisdom toothpaste in the past, so might as well give it a go. Bye!